Let's look at electrician salary in Comoros. The average salary of an electrician in Comoros is 1,440 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax it drops to $1,220. That leaves you with a take-home pay of about $102 each month. Electrician wages are usually higher if you work in Moroni, where take-home pay reaches $1,450 a year. While living outside the capital means lower electrician income, local costs are also lower, so it balances out. Starting out, your average electrician pay sits well below this level, but it goes up fast as you gain experience before it plateaus. On top of that, having a university degree helps you move into higher-paying roles, like electrical inspector or site supervisor. Specializing in industrial systems also adds to how much does an electrician make in Comoros, because complex skills earn noticeably more.